Welcome to episode 3 of Weekend Warrior. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, or just a little before 8, and almost 90 degrees already. Hot, hot. About to cross Stephanie Road, on Paseo Verde. We're gonna head down a segment of the Amagarosa Trail. It's gonna be real hot this week. We're clearing over 100 degrees every day. And I think tomorrow's gonna be 111. So pray for us. So here we go. Pretty cool trail. Apparently it's about 9-10 mile trail. I just don't know where it officially starts and ends. I just know this part. So this weekend, it's Father's Day. Shouts to all the fathers out there. A lot of my friends are now fathers. My boy Goose, he just celebrated his first Father's Day. My boy Mook is on his 9th. And I think my boy T is on his 4th Father's Day. Could be wrong. It's hard to keep track of these kids' ages, you know? But anyway, for my family, we actually went to my cousin Jay's house. Good morning. Went for a little swim. You know, COVID is still rampant, so we try to keep it to a minimum. My father was there, Chris's father was there, and Jay's father was there. We went there to swim, me and my cousins. So I got some cool footage of that, playing around with the GoPro, seeing how it reacts to water. I know the last Weekend Warrior, you got to see it at Sand Hollow Lake. So now we're gonna see it at Jay's Lake. Well, my dude's chilling. Bless, uncle. Big chilling, like a boss. About to go swim today. Just waiting for the other guys to come. Jay, you gonna swim?
No.
What?
Yeah, I am.
I missed out on this one. I woke up early and I went on a bike ride.
Oh, I gotta make the sound?
Yeah. I mean,
On my feet! Ah! Let's go, Jay. Yo. Yeah!
Teddy Perkins.
Yo, my dude like Teddy Perkins. Look at this dude. Look at this dude's face, yo.
Yo, it's
Yo, look at your...
it's waterproof.
Yo, his face is crazy, dog. Yo. That's a nice jersey, yo. So as you can see, this is the end of the Amagarosa Trail for this particular segment. And I have no idea where it connects again. So anybody watching this knows, please let me know. I would love that. Now I'm on Valley Verde. About to cross Paseo Verde. Got a little bit of headwind. This trail to my left and right is the Pavement Wash Trail. That's covered on one of the videos I have on my YouTube channel. Check that out when you get a chance. I was with the far ride. Our team's getting bigger. They got like 12 riders now. So now you gotta really put in some miles to hit that top 10, which is real cool. Love competing with my homies. Oh, forgot to tell y'all, man, I took a step in the right direction last week. I actually copped a helmet. It's a cask helmet, the Cask Rapido. There's this dude in New York, rides fixie bikes. His name is Mario Sepulveda. Pretty dope rider. He rocks the Cask Rapido, and that's where I've seen it. Looks real sleek. So it's supposed to come in this week. I'll show you guys. I'll put it on. We'll go for a ride. But yeah, took a step in the right direction to start protecting my dome, because you never know what happens, you know. Plus, I want to start riding a little more aggressive. We're still on Valley Verde. Pretty long street in Henderson. Cool thing about Henderson, man, we got a lot of bike lanes. I think we got the most bike lanes in the city. So you can ride pretty safe. And we got a lot of trails. Good morning. Good morning. Woo! About to turn here on Nuevo. Hop into this neighborhood, man. It's a pretty dope neighborhood. Some nice houses here. So last night, me and my boys, man, we went to this restaurant called Battista's, Hole in the Wall. It's a real old Italian restaurant in Vegas, right there on Flamingo. It's a little bit off the strip, sits right next to the link. Real dope, because they serve you like free wine, house wine, red or white, whichever one you want. We try to link up as much as possible, man. We used to actually always kick it. Damn near lived in one home. Back when we were broke, had nothing, had no money, no jobs. And now, you know, we're living our lives. They got kids, I don't. Everyone's got jobs, we're all making bread. But yeah, we wanted to link up for Father's Day. And Battista's is a really dope spot, man. It's low light in there, so I don't know if I got it, but I did my best, trying to brighten it up. See if I can remember everybody's meal. My boy Mook, I think he ordered the shrimp, garlic and butter sauce with baked ziti. My man T ordered the chicken parmigiana. Nice classic little meal. My boy Goose ordered the chicken Alfredo. Again, another classic Italian meal. And I ordered the veal picante, or sometimes called veal piccata, which I love the Italian culture, man. I studied it a little bit in college for a few semesters. When I went out there, I kind of totally fell in love with the culture. Started to learn the language a little bit. So any chance I get, I try to hit an Italian spot. But Battista's isn't my favorite one. I'm a huge fan of Maggiano's. That's over there at the not the foreign shops, but Fashion Show Mall. I know Goose said he really likes Carbone, which I think is in somewhere in City Center, maybe Cosmo. And one of my favorite Italian dishes is actually carbonara, which is fire because I'm not really a big bacon dude, but I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna end this episode of Weekend Warrior. I think we're on 3. So keep staying tuned. Tell your friends about the channel. Do as you wish. And We'll see you guys later. Grazie mille. Arrivederci, signore e signori.